So guys, this is just the observation. I want to share with you how low this front of this car really is. Now the cord was low. I scraped it a few times, but this is even lower than that. Stock height is just a normal parking area here. And you can see how close that right side is to almost touching the dirt. And I don't have the front splitter on yet that I'm going to get for this car. It's really low. It was inches. So something to be aware of if you have this car, if you're going to get this car, know that it's pretty low on that front. I mean, it does look great, gives it that sleeker look. I like it, but you just have to be more mindful of when you're pulling out of certain areas, because it's, like I said, it's extremely low on here, and this is all stock height, and I wasn't even aware of it. And I'm probably like 2 inches from the gravel. And then I do want to get that front splitter that does lower it a tiny bit in the front. So just something to think about. If you have steep driveways and you're going to get this car, go really slow, because it is pretty low for a stock height vehicle that I find. But like I said, not complaining, just something I want you guys to be aware of. I've noticed with this car compared to the Accord, I have to go slower on the same parts with this car because it is slower. I don't know the exact spec, maybe an inch or so, but it does make a difference. And it has that long front end on it too. This car, it's really long. So just something to think about, so you don't damage the front of your car or scrape the bottom up. Let me know if you guys had that problem with your car. I know some people lower their cars even more, but let me know if you have that problem scraping your car around town. Just curious how often it actually happens. Okay, so hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. I appreciate all the feedback, support, I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.